go. Once in a lifetime.
I need more snow. Get me my snow first, Bully.
No. No! I just cleared that! You stop it! Stop it! No!
I digged it like a dog. Holy crap, this is slippery.
My turn. I want it right. Ooh, we're making good hole, dog.
Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Bury it.
Jenna, get out of there. That's going to cave in on you. That's light covered snow.
You're caving in on you.
I don't want that all over.
He doesn't have snow pants on.
Watch this. Another one.
My turn.
Christ, you just fly right in there.
Bob is complete, dog. Wait, my turn.
Don't you go in the house like that. Get back out here and get that snow off of you. No!
Whoa!
Ride it through. Look it, Joel. I buried the ball.
God damn, now I'm stuck.
You think the snow will ever melt?
Now I'm stuck. Shoot.
I buried the ball, Joel. Help me, Joel. There's something stuck. Now there's snow stuck in my hand. Faster, faster! What is this?
Stop it! Oh, nice. Get up. Don't you dare! No! Don't throw that in my face!
Jump!
No! I just cleaned the driveway! What is the matter with you?
Ready, go, jump! Jump!
Another
He's
one.
out here screaming rape. And the neighbor's looking out the window.
I didn't say rape.